To delete one user from the SecuRam Bio Keypad, first scan the registered host finger, and once verified, we'll be into the Select menu. Go ahead and scroll up once, twice, till you get to delete one user, and then hit the OK button. Select the ID you'd like to delete by using the arrow buttons. We're going to delete user 4 today, so I'm going to hit the OK button when ID 04 is displayed. That'll pop a question mark there, meaning confirm the action. Oh, we'll go back and try one more time. It tends to time out quickly in the menu with no activity. Delete one user, ID 4, delete with a question mark, and hit OK. And user ID 04 has been deleted. We'll now go ahead and back out of the programming menu by hitting the back button. I'm going to try the user 4 finger I've registered, just to make sure that the ID is gone. Yes. If it continually verifies the finger without letting them into the safe, then you know that the finger has been unregistered from the keypad.